It's my lunch break. I'll enjoy it how I want. The only thing I haven't found yet is where is the perfect mounting spot to connect each end of the hammock, because right now this is comfortable, but my butt keeps banging into the DeWalt cart thing, and it's a little uncomfortable. So that's got to get fixed. But I can't complain. Having the microwave, the Keurig, the hammock in the truck is great. I love it. I still have one minor problem I gotta deal with, and that problem is my brain. Can't seem to find the switch for this pump. And I think the worst attribute of this problem is that I'm too go. Like I'm too go, rush, and not enough stop, take 5, think about it. So like right now, for example, I'm replacing a circulator pump on this domestic hot water boiler. And the original plan was to do a tune-up on that boiler, you know, while I'm here. But I just got a service call for no hot water. So in my mind, I'm rushing through, can I swap out this circulator pump, get that tune-up done, and look at that no hot water call all before 3:30 because I gotta leave early. I constantly have to remind myself, no, you don't. The dishes are never done. There's always gonna be another service call. I don't have to get to everything. All right, all set, but there is one more thing I'm gonna do while I'm in this basement. And that's change condensate sensor. Because it's quick and easy and it won't hurt my brain too much. Boom! Actually, it turns out I am going to be doing the tune-up. I just assumed I was going to go do the no hot water call. That's another thing I do a lot. Oh well, whatever. Hey, can I get a PL45B? never said I was going to stop overstocking my truck. You see, moral of the story is the reason I really want to be the go-to guy is because I am still an apprentice. I'm still new. And if I can pick up, one more service call, if I can come in early, stay late, have everything on my truck for every possible scenario, that might take me across the bridge from feeling like an apprentice to actually feeling like a service tech. Or it's because I'm a people pleaser and I want to make everybody happy and sacrifice my own mental bandwidth to do that. Jury's still out. There is one legitimate reason why I rush throughout the day to get as much work done as I can. And that's because, well, see you tomorrow.